Welcome, parents and any students sitting right next to their parents. This is Miss Trammell, and I am going to show you guys how to go to aps.edu and check out your Parentvue. Okay, so first things first, type in aps.edu into your web browser. Once you've gone there, it'll take you to Albuquerque Public Schools website. And here you will see a gallery of images, right? Here is Find My School, Parentvue, and Stay Informed. Go to Parentvue. So Parentvue will bring you here. And there are 4 options. Now, if your student is already a student at Tres Volcanes, then you already have an account because we are virtual learning, so all registrations were done online this year. So click Parentvue Login. If you don't remember your information, please call the front desk. Okay, so here it's going to pop up your student's information. I'm blocking it from showing my daughter's information right now, but if you click attendance notes showing right here, it'll take you directly to the attendance page, and it will show you in detail your student's attendance. Now, if their attendance says 4 out of 5, that means they've been showing up for most of the week, okay? Another thing that's on here is report. Okay, so here you have report absence. You can click this link to report your student being absent. Here it shows her recent history. So these are assignments she had due recently. So this comic assignment from art was due the 28th. Now I'm only showing the left side of the screen to hide my daughter's picture, ID number, and all of that fun stuff. So you're not viewing the entire website right now. You're just viewing the menu bar. So you've got home, Synergy Mail, calendar, attendance, class schedule, course history, any due fees, the grade book, your student's health, the report cards, student info, graduation requirements, and documents. Now, Synergy Mail is very important. All parents should definitely be checking their Synergy Mail. A lot of school emails and teacher emails are being sent to you through here. Okay, so for example, I have 4 unopened emails, okay? So please check your Synergy Mail. And then here we have calendar. I clicked it and it brings me here. So on here I can see assignments that my daughter has going on with her teacher. If I click on it, it talks to me about the assignment detail. Okay. So here's the standard, here are the points, the due date, and so if I go to attendance, it will show me my daughter's attendance, and it also shows a calendar, which is pretty cool, right? Because it tells you non-school day, these are conference days, and then these are vacation and holiday days, right? Holidays. So the 3rd and the 11th of November, there's no school. Down here, it gives me a detail of her attendance. So it shows me that since school started, she's actually been present 4 to 5 days a week. Okay, and right here you can also report an absence. If it's showing like this and it doesn't have that information, all you do is click the detail. Okay. And then here is her class schedule. On here, it will list all of her teachers, and I can send them emails from here. So if I want to send Ms. Graham an email, I click it there, and it will pop up this email pop-up, right? So it's telling me that it's going to send it to Ms. Leah Graham. Now, if you click in here in that box, it'll pop up everybody. Okay, so here's the staff. Here's contact list. Ileana's counselor, that's my daughter, right? So here's, it will show me who her counselor is. Ileana's teachers. Okay, so if I say I want to send an email to all of her teachers, then I just click on all of them, right? So I can see she has 4 different teachers, and then here they are all selected into there, right? I'm not actually sending an email right now. So then here you can do subject. Let's say I want to email her about grades, and then here I would type my email. If I have an image or attachment to show her, I add attachment over here. And down here is also a link insert, so if I want to share a web page with her. Okay, so Let's continue with the gradebook. So here in the gradebook, for her it shows not available because I'm guessing her Google Classroom isn't synced with the teacher's Google Classroom isn't synced with Synergy. So if you see here in art, the Google Classroom is here. But going to that link doesn't work for me because it has to be signed into my daughter's Google Classroom. So if you've been trying to do that and haven't been able to get in, that's because you need to be signed into your student's Google Classroom. Okay? If you're not signed into their account, you cannot view their Google Classroom or anything in there. Okay, but here it does show any upcoming assignments. So this assignment shows in the Google Classroom. And this one is a previous assignment. We've gone over that. Here is where you can find your student's report card. So this is showing first quarter right away. It shows what class, shows comments, positive attitude. Here's the room number to the teachers. There's the teachers again, and here's the grades. Okay. So down here it tells you that an A is outstanding, B is above average, C is average, D is below average, F is fail, P is pass, and I is incomplete. Okay, so that is how you check your students. That's how you check your Parentvue, not your students, right? But you check up on your student through your Parentvue. So if I go to my Synergy mail, it's going to show me emails that teachers have sent me, okay? You definitely want to keep up to date with these, okay? Always, always, always check your Synergy mail, and you can compose messages from here. Now, like I've told you, you can definitely find anybody from the school just by clicking on here. It will show all of the staff. So you can definitely look for any teachers in APS or Tres Volcanes. Okay. And I think that would be it to look at. All right. I hope you guys found this video helpful.